So hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Edukarti, and in today's video we are going to do our exercise 2.3. So let me introduce you to the chapter. This is chapter number 2, polynomials. This belongs to maths textbook of class 9th NCERT. Okay, so in exercise 2.3 there are total 3 questions. Okay, so first one is saying that it has given an equation. Okay, a polynomial it has given, which is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to divide it by the 4 parts, I mean the 5 parts. 5 parts meaning the 5 polynomials are given there. Okay, so let me write the question on the board. Yes, so it is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. It is not going straight. Plus 3x plus 1. This is given. Okay. Basically, we have to divide this by following numbers. From them, first one is x plus 1. So let me teach you how to do this. Firstly, you will see the first one out of this. First one is x and first one here is x cube. So what will you do? You have to divide x cube from x. So to divide x cube from x, you will multiply x square. X square. If you multiply x square and x, the answer will come x cube. So x cube will come, x square will come here. Let me write it in bigger. X square come here, x cube come here. So the sign will get changed. This was positive, so this will be positive, but sign is changed, so this will be negative. Now, if this is multiplied from this, so this will also be multiplied from this. This is simple. So 1 multiplied by x square, it will be x square. But the sign will get changed. I have told you. What will come now? 3x square minus x square. 2x square. Okay. Now this will come downside. 3x. So x, what is required to make x is 2x square? 2x is required. Positive 2x. So this will be 2x square. Change the sign. Multiply 2x square by 1. It will be 2x only. So the sign will again get changed and 2x over here also. Okay. Now here this both are cancelled. Now only one x is left because 2x are cancelled. 3x was there, so x is left. Now 1 will come below. Plus 1. X plus 1 is left. X plus 1 here, x plus 1 here. So to get x, this is x and this is x. So to get x from x, we require 1 plus 1. So here x plus 1 will come, which will get 0 as the remainder. So our answer will be 0. So what is the answer? Answer means that what will be the remainder? It is asking. So our remainder will be 0 for this one. Let's come to our next part. X minus half. This might seem something difficult, but Don't worry, I'm here. I'll make it easier. Okay, so x, to make it x cube, will require x square. This is x cube, sign is changed to minus, and this is half, this is x square, so this will be x square divided by 2, but here the symbol will be coming as plus. Why? Because here it is minus, so the symbol will get changed and here it will become plus. So if you add 3x square and x square by 2, it will be 7x square divided by 2, plus we'll bring this 3x down, 3x. Okay, now to make x as 7 by 2 x square, what will we require? We will require 7 by 2 x. It will be 7x square by 2 plus, this was what? This was minus half. So minus half multiplied by 7 by 2x, it will be 7 by 4x. Okay. Now what will come here? 7 by 4x plus 3x. 7 by 4x plus 3x. So what will you do? 3x can be written, we will take LCM in next step. So just here 3 4 is 12. So 12x divided by 4, which is now what? 19x divided by 4. Okay, so what will we write here? 19x divided by 4, and this one will come here, plus 1. Okay, so again we'll just keep doing it. What will we require to multiply by x so that this comes? We'll require 19 by 4. 19 by, okay. Now, what will be coming? 19 by 4. X will only coming. And what will come here? Here, positive, because this is negative. So, 19 by 4 multiplied by half, which is 19 by 8. 19 by 8. Okay. So, if I cut this, because these symbols are like opposite to each other, and this is 19 by 8, this is 1. So, if I add 19 by 8 and 1, 19 by 8 plus, if I take LCM, so here it will be 8 by 8. Now 27 by 8. So it will be 27 divided by 8. This is our answer. Okay, so this will be our remainder. Now let's me erase this. Erasing. Yes, erased. Okay. Now only x is required. In next question, only x is required. Okay. So we'll just put it x square over here. X cube get cut. Now 3x square. It will come here. 3x square will get cut. Okay. By what? We'll require 3x to make it 3x square. Okay. Now this also gets cut. Now what will come? This will come. 3x. 0 here, 0 here. 0 plus 3x. Now to make it 3x, what will we require? x can be multiplied by 3 to make it 3x, but negative. So 0 plus last one. It cannot be multiplied by anything. So we will have the remainder left as 1. Okay. Friends, after the syllabus of my ninth class is over, I'll take quiz test every day. Okay, means I'll take the test of all the chapters and so many extra questions. Okay friends, in this video we have done only this much. But in next video I'll continue with my other questions. Why? Because this video has become very long. Till then, bye bye.